Since we are talking about continuity, let's focus on the PSU counters. Nimesh has done some study. Nimesh, some of these counters, they have run up big time. But I think in the past quarter's numbers, some of them saw some margin compression.
Absolutely.
Tell us more.
So, not some. Actually, the list what I'm going to show, all the PSU stocks are in the green, up between 1x to 4x or 5x. But quarter 4 was a bit of a reality check. Let me just go to the wall and explain what has happened in the PSUs in this quarter 4 as far as earnings are concerned. First, the big picture. We've seen a big rally in the PSU stocks in the last 1 year, and this will show up. Look at this chart. Every index, PSE, Nifty CPSE, BSE PSU, Nifty PSE, and Nifty PSU Bank, all have actually given at least 100%, close to 100% return in the last 1 year. But now we'll come with a real picture. There are a lot of stocks where the earnings have been a big disappointment on a YOY basis. There are a lot of momentum stocks in this. ITI is up almost 2x, but the margin miss has been 2,800 basis points. NLC India, the stock is up 131%, but big miss in terms of EBITDA margins on a YOY basis as well. So, I've seen a big miss as far as EBITDA margin is concerned. Even the second list of stocks of EBITDA margin. So, big momentum stock. SJVN is up almost 35% in the last 1 year. But the EBITDA miss Y&Y is 900 basis points. IRFC, another momentum stock, up 450%. But look at the EBITDA margin miss. 850 basis points is the YY EBITDA margin miss. Same is with Engineers India. The stock has seen a bit of momentum of late, but earnings have been quite disappointing there as well. That's the first list. There are also some stocks where the EBITDA margin miss is in the range of between 100 to 500 basis points. Here also you are going to see a lot of momentum stocks. BHEL, the stock is up 258% in the last 1 year, but look at the performance in terms of EBITDA margins. It's down 360 basis points on a YOY basis. Same is with IRCT as well. IRCTC up 59-60%, but there has been a miss in the EBITDA margin. So that's been the kind of performance where there has been a big miss. Same is the case with Hudco. The stock is up 350 basis points, but look at the earnings. Again, there has been a 350 basis points margin miss on a YOY basis for this particular companies. However, there are some companies in the PSU basket which have done well as well as far as earnings are concerned, and this is the list that's going to show up. Cochin Shipyard, Bharat Dynamics, Hindustan Aeronautics, Nalco, GAIL, all have been doing pretty well in terms of stock price. But look at the chart, look at the margin chart. They all have done really well as far as YOY EBITDA margin is concerned for this particular company. So, the broad picture is, look at even this names, Mazgaon Dock, Coal India, GIC Housing, all stocks have done well, but at least here there is an earnings comfort that the earnings have actually started coming up in quarter 4. So, the broad message is, well, there's been a big momentum in the PSU stocks. Quarter 4 was a bit of an eye-opener that there are many companies where there's been a massive EBITDA margin miss, and that's something that investors have to watch out for. Your take, Anish, on the PSUs. We've seen a big momentum, but are you a bit bullish on that space?
So